Chapter 7, Global Tourism Organization. PTAA or Philippine Travel Agencies Association. The Philippine Travel Agencies is a fairly young organization born out of a union of the national associations of the outbound travel agencies and inbound tour operators. PTAA, with more than 500 members, is the most prestigious association in the country, widely recognized by international airlines, hotels, resorts, insurance, and cruise companies. Works closely with government agencies,